filter the data you're importing. As an example, my spreadsheet has stores by state. If I only wanted to import stores for a specific state, I could use filter logic to do that. The tooltip gives an example of how to write the filters. I will say, add another filter. I will select the column of state. Then you select the operator. I will choose is equal to, and I will type AZ for Arizona. Let's say I want to add a second state. I can add another filter. Again, choose state is equal to. This time, I will choose to bring in California in addition to Arizona. The filter logic has made an assumption thinking I want to have the state field equal to Arizona and California. However, I want to make a slight change to that. Instead, I want that to be an OR. With these filters in place, click Next.